The PrimeWeld MIG180 welding machine is a versatile tool offering both dual voltage input options of 220 volts and 110 volts, making it adaptable to various power sources. With its wire feed design, the MIG180 is user-friendly, allowing for precision in creating intricate welding designs, making it ideal for both novices and experienced welders. This welding machine impressively supports 3 welding processes, including flux-core wire, aluminum welding with a special spool gun, and stick welding, providing a comprehensive solution for diverse welding needs. PrimeWeld's MIG180 comes ready to use out of the box, equipped with drive rollers for both MIG and flux-core welding, adding convenience and efficiency to your welding projects. The inclusion of a special spool gun for aluminum welding ensures smooth operation, eliminating common issues such as kinks or jams, which can be a major headache when working with aluminum materials. PrimeWeld's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through their USA-based support, ensuring any issues with the MIG180 can be swiftly addressed, offering peace of mind to the user.